Hi guys, this is Hill. So in 20s you get this feeling that there is a lot that you're doing, a lot is happening around you, but nothing really is moving forward. So then you end up relying on a few key pillars in your life to sort of keep sane. Now imagine this. I'm in my 20s and I have this best friend that we are absolutely thick. We text every day, we share jokes, we are basically totally in sync with each other's life. I know what's happening in her life, she knows what's happening in my life. We are the ultimate duo. And then one day, silence. There's just this disconnect that has entered the relationship. There's a void, and then you don't know what's happened. There were no harsh fights, there was no friendship triangle, there was nothing messy. The friendship just stopped being what it was. And honestly, I went into denial for a period of 6 months. Like, I just couldn't believe this is happening to me. And then, of course, I went into this overdrive of trying to make it work. Absolutely cringe when I think about it now, but back then I didn't know any better. So I would make plans, I would send jokes that would land beautifully earlier, but were just not landing at that point in time. And I was so cringe that I even texted her, "Are we okay? Is our friendship okay?" And she was kind enough to reply that no, nothing's wrong, there's nothing that you have done, we're fine. We even went on our usual coffee dates, but of course, it was just not the same. I had, reached that phase in my life where I couldn't cope with what was happening. Life had given me these lemons, expecting me to make a lemonade, but हो ही नहीं रहा था, कुछ आगे बढ़ ही नहीं रहा था, and I'm just like, छोड़ यार. And I had no other option but to just let go, and that's exactly what I did because my emotional fatigue levels were through the roof. I decided to let it be and move on. Now, did I ever really process what had happened? Yes. With maturity, with a few more birthdays that passed, with varied perspective that I gained, I did process what had happened. It was a classic case of us just drifting apart. She was in a phase of life that I was nowhere near, and a disconnect was just imminent. Did we ever reconnect? Well, reconnections are what your 30s are for. With our respective maturities, we realize that, hey, you know what? We're good people. We vibe. We actually have things in common. Our life phases may not exactly match, but that should not really stop us from being friends. And trust me, once you're in your 30s, vibe match becomes a thing. Because 30s में सबकी लगी पड़ी है. The job is not jobbing enough. You have kids that are really getting onto your nerves. शादी किसी की हो रही है, किसी की नहीं हो रही है, घर में कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा है, work, career, everything basically just comes on to you and it hits you with a force. And you're like, you know what, now I just want to unwind, I want to chill, I want to relax, I want to have a good time. And that's what friends are for. And that's when you find that vibe match. And thankfully, in the current urban setup of community living, finding people with whom you connect is that much more easier. So, that's why we end up having these paddle friends and these gym buddies, runners group, or, a book club, society gatherings, society friends, your kids and their school friends and their parents, and you just end up basically finding people who are in similar life phases or who have similar priorities and similar lifestyles like you do. And that's all that you want, because you just don't want any drama, you don't want any issues. You want to go out with a bunch of friends, have a good time, and just live your life. You want to add people to your life who make your life fuller and richer, because that's what friendships do.